Welcome this video. Simple wood door launch idea. Wood door have become a popular functional is both rustic and modern home doors. Space saved them and charm of make theme idea for cost bathroom or even such decoration portrait. However, well and static, it's important security. Your wood door with right launch is just an embrace for functional and privacy. Whether you are enthusiast or look for a simple upgraded to your door system, this gas explode easy and creates lounge for wood door focus or simple effectively and various appear. When used a lounge on the saltwood door, door do not launch like resistant hand door, so they need a special medicated to lock with security team. Reasoning for installing launching cabin provide for bedroom, bathroom or often security or explore bring door or backyard shed provide latch on for open door wide waterproof weather protective inspire of outdoor salt bring door less explode define type for simple launch and how then can work for your wood salt ice lodge. One of the spire and most affordable. Other for heat and ice lodge to the smart hacking that fit into the simple. Its idea for lightweight door and often basic security and provide pro simple to install idea for indoor use navy not very secure for explore door only lock for one side salt board lock both lock can bring are often used and long bring door the both side into a hole is the phone or the valve to lock the door in place. Pro Asal for long window door idea for bring or work supported easy to operate requested not idea for indoor decorations outdoor install note shall hold into the full basic board for the both and salt into security surface moment load a surface moment launch is a log that in moment decoration onto the surface of the salt door. Its use come with a launch a bring cut pro a static appear with various design simple operation do not requesting into the door edge simple modern or more decoration themes curtain not idea for high security need simple idea choose black warm iron for a rustic look bring for modern interior lounge typically lounge is special design for stolen brick door. It's have role during shared lounge that look into place on a wall moment. Salt and maximize. Easy to install and use.